On this Mori machine with FANUC 32iB, we are gonna see how to upload per program, but we do have that per program selected on the foreground, and we are gonna replace that per program. So first you need to unselect or select another per program to release that one. Let's go to program. This is the key, and if you go to program again with return, you'll see that the program is selected. So let's go to program list and select another one, hit enter. Now we have on the foreground another program. We're gonna go back to program list and select the one that we want to delete and hit delete again and execute. And now we don't have enough memory to upload the new program, so we need to copy or back up some of them. So we're gonna punch we are gonna execute. We are gonna delete this one or the previous one, 7505. So we're gonna save this on the USB, and then we're gonna upload it again after we replace the program. Execute. So now let's check that we have that program on the USB. So I'm gonna read, and you'll see 7505 was just copied. So let's cancel here and now return, and we are gonna delete this one to release some more memory here. Let's delete, execute. There you go. We have 4500 bytes. So let's check if we can read the new program 777. Read and select 07777. Execute, and there you go.